Hi, my name is Dr. James Lin. I'm the medical director and founder of Glow Laser and Beauty Center. I want to talk to you about Vampire Facelift today. I'm making this video so that I can describe what the procedure is, who would be a good candidate for it, and hopefully give you more information and educate you on what a vampire facelift is about. There's a lot of buzz in Hollywood about vampire facelift and vampire facials. Essentially, what it is we draw your blood and we spin down the blood with a very special machine, and we are extracting what we call platelet-rich plasma out of your blood. And we use a combination of your own blood and products to create a procedure that would help you rejuvenate the face. So who qualifies and who is a good candidate for vampire facelift? Essentially, anybody who has the aging process that wants to look more refreshed and rejuvenated, a vampire facelift would be an appropriate procedure for you. And the 3 signs of aging that we're going to go over today is that the skin color as we age becomes more gray because there's less blood flow to our face, and our facial features sort of becomes more droopy, and we have more lines or folds because we actually lose volume as we age. So we lose some subcutaneous fat, and we also lose some muscles, and our collagen also becomes less. So the overall effect is that we lose more volume. And our texture of the skin also becomes less smooth as we age. And it's also because of environmental assaults. We go out in the sun. Oftentimes, most people don't put enough sunscreen to protect our skin, so it becomes more dull and it becomes less smooth, and you have enlarged pores, etc. So the texture of the skin doesn't look as shiny or glowing. So if you show the 3 signs of aging that I just described, the vampire facelift and the vampire facial procedures would be really a good option for you. So what is a vampire facelift, and why do we want to do a vampire facelift? I really believe in the vampire facelift because it is a consistent way for us to rejuvenate one's face using the combination of a dermal filler, a hyaluronic acid filler such as Restylane or Juvederm, and inject your own PRP into the face for rejuvenation. And the end result of that is we always get a consistent natural look to rejuvenate one's face. That's why I like it. It was invented by a gentleman named Dr. Charles Reynolds, and he sort of discovered that as he did his research that aesthetically pleasing facial features has a symmetrical look to it. And there's a mathematical formula that was figured out way back when Da Vinci was studying art and doing human anatomy. And he sort of took that idea and used it so that he developed a consistent set of procedures for us to follow so that we can get a consistent outcome of the naturally rejuvenated facial features. So in aesthetic medicine, there are a lot of practitioners out there, and there's a variety of different products that we can use to help people look a little bit younger. However, if we don't have a consistent way of doing it repeatedly, the results can be dubious, and then the results sometimes can be overfilled dermal fillers. That's when people get this unnatural look, and that's not a good look, especially if you're investing money into rejuvenating your facial features. So the vampire facelift is a proprietary set of procedures that we all get trained by Dr. Reynolds, so we follow his procedures. And basically, there are 4 steps to the vampire facelift procedures. So the first step is that we use hyaluronic fillers, like I described earlier, such as Restylane or Juvederm, and we use 1 syringe, and we strategically place those fillers in areas that we know will have to be, will need more volume so that it will look symmetrical. And then we use the physician uses the growth factors from the patient's blood, which is the PRP, and then we inject that PRP after we inject the fillers, into the face. And then what this does is it actually creates new tissue, including new collagen and new fatty tissue for smoothness, and new blood vessels for the healthy glow that you're looking for. Um, so it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It works very well, and the outcome and the results are that we get a very consistent outcome where we help individual rejuvenate naturally, and you will take out that tired look and that droopiness of the aging process. So if you need more information, you can visit our website. It's glowlaserbeautycenter.com, and or call our number 833-456-9888. We'll be happy to book you a consultation, and I can go over whether or not this procedure is the right procedure for you. Thank you.
Whenever you're ready. I just had the Vampire Facelift. It was painless and effortless, and I feel great. And after, I'm very comfortable, not in any pain at all.